Okay guys, welcome back to Aussie Frenchman. I've been busy, having a lot of fun, and I have taken this to a different level now. I'm taking it seriously. I was putting it down. Well, I wasn't putting it down. I thought it was a bit of a joke, but actually the instructions aren't too bad at all. They do call out for all the colours, and in part, it's a really nicely well-designed little model. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I want to tell you what, yes, she floats, and I was quite surprised how much weight it actually took to bring it down to the waterline. I'll demonstrate that later, but I'm up to the part of the decks are all painted. I'm going to do something silly and mask all these little thingies off, and I'm going to paint all the ladders and all the little thingy-bobs and whatever call it in Tamiya. What is it? Tamiya? No, it's Mr. Hobby. Red Brown. H47. So all the highlights, all the bits of furniture, whatever you want to call it, will be on the top, painted that. I'm going to paint the deck on the top at the back the same colour. Why? I don't know, but it's all about contrast. And I'm going to try and paint the deck on top of that brown as well, and then mask that off and then paint the little boats white. It's all about having fun, and because it's so small, I'm having lots of fun with it. And I mean, genuine fun. Alright guys, well, I'm going to crack on with this. The mask, oh, I forgot the mask. I haven't got much white lacquer paint left, so I've hand painted these in XF2 flat white, and I'm just going to spray these. I think I did with the paintbrush last night, and I mean, the details looks great, but I don't know, I like my brush, but these will fit like so. Can you see that? Yes. And we've got the little flag one in the middle. Like so. Okay, that's interesting. I can muck around with that, but anyway. But yeah, so yeah, tiny. Alright, I'm not feeling the best guys, so pardon if I'm not really pretty warm right now. It's nice and chilly outside. I'm really thinking about going outside to cool off for a little bit. But as I said, I'm just going to crack on with this, tape it all up, and get ready for painting. Okay, the hull is taped up and ready to be spray painted. I've made up my mix. I'm actually using the AK Australian colour black. It's got a little bit of a tinge of green in it, so I reckon that'll turn out really nice on the ship. And I absolutely love AK Colours lacquer. You've won me, hey. This, yeah, I'm not sure if I'd go out of my way going back to Tamiya. I know everything's got to be washed out in lacquer and solutions, but this is such a beautiful paint. And I'm actually going to be painting the white over it, so lacquer covers well. Alright, I'm going to give that a quick paint, let that dry, and meanwhile we'll tape that up. Alright, see you soon. Okay guys, a few hours have gone by, and top gear, yep. I think you guys got that, yeah. I needed a break, but I completely masked the ship. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Holy mackerel. No, 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 no. Yeah. Just make sure it's really masked off, eh? Oh, that would have been nice. Pinstriping, white pinstriping in the wrong place. Okay. That's one side. Make sure that it does not. Okay guys, yes, before I painted it white, I gave her a coat of clear coat. I didn't want to take no chances. Well, that was hilarious. I talked for about 10 minutes and unwrapped it, and I went to see the recording, 8 seconds. But she turned out really nice. I got no complaints whatsoever. Overall, I mean, the rail all around the inside, it's all been painted. What I'm going to do now is give it a gloss, clear gloss, tomorrow. Let this harden and cure. And what am I going to do? We're going to do some washes. And also, I'm glad I didn't do it at the time, but the deck. Not a great rush to take this up yet. I have actually want to do a wash on the deck, and finish the deck off completely, and then I'll tape it up, or I might just hand paint. I don't know. I want to tape it up because I want, yeah, it's just some really nice detail there, and I want it to. It looks good when it's taped up. Alright guys, that's it from me. Have a good one guys. And probably work on the masks and the sails tomorrow, seeing how things go. Have a good one guys.